Namaste train which travels longest distance in India by Vic Express, running approximately 4,273 km from Dibrugarh, Assam to Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Busiest railway station in India, Howrah Junction in Kolkata. The highest railway station in India, Gum railway station, located in the Darjeeling district of West Bengal. It is situated at an altitude of 2,258 meters, 7,407 feet. The longest railway platform in world reached at Aruda Swamiji Haveli Junction in Karnataka, India, measuring 1,507 meters and is recognized by the Guinness World Records. In which state did India's first metro start? India's first metro started in West Bengal, with the Kolkata Metro being inaugurated on October 24, 1984. The most speediest train in India, the Vande Bharat Express, is India's fastest train, capable of reaching a top speed of 180 km/h. Who's the father of Indian Railways? Comment below.